everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with your one and only Carol. This is a channel where we try out recipes from different cookbooks. So today we are trying out from which book? So today, guys, Baked to Perfection is the book that we are going to use today. And whoa, we are going to make some cookies. I want you guys to look at this photo. Oh, they look really nice. So that's what we are going to try and make today. The book calls No Fuss, No Chill, No Spread, One Bowl Sugar Cookies. So welcome to today's video. Let's try out this recipe. So let's see what we are working with today. As always, the exact measurements for the ingredients are in the book. Make sure you check it out and try out the recipe. Over here, I'm using my gluten-free flour blend. If you're interested, I'm using the DIY too. So that's what I'm using as always. That's what I usually use every time. So here it is. I have some monk fruit sweetener. Over here, the book uses custard sugar, but I usually use monk fruit sweetener in my recipes. I have an egg. I have some xanthan gum and some salt. And here I have some unsalted butter. And also, we'll be using some vanilla bean paste. It's over here. So, as the book says, it's a one bowl recipe, one bowl sugar-free cookie. So, everything should go in this bowl. We'll add our monk fruit sweetener, the xanthan gum, and the salt. Let's mix this first. I think it's ready now. So, we'll add the egg, our vanilla bean paste, and then our butter. And now you mix everything until you get a smooth, soft dough. Yep. Here's my dough. The book says that it needs to be smooth and soft but not sticky. So guys, I've finished. I've not added any flour. So here it is. It's not sticky, it's smooth and very soft, as you can see. So we need to flour our surface a bit. Of course, with the same gluten-free flour. Wait. So it's easy to lift and turn, so it's not sticking on the surface. I think this is done. It's ready. Yes, so we will cut. This is what I'll use this to cut. The book recommends a 5 centimeter cutter. Mine is almost a 9. Mine is almost a 9 centimeter. That's what I'm going to use. So feel free to use what you have. Yes, baby. So we'll remove this one, this excess dough. We will use it until we are done. So come up. Oh Lord. Don't. Good job. We arrange there. So we'll use the same process and then until we are finished with the dough. So guys, here are our cookies. We're going to bake them for around 10 to 12 minutes or until they are light brown. So guys, our cookies are ready. As you can see, they look really nice and they smell nice. Time to taste. My people, even with the soft doughs, the cookies still hold their shape nicely. I didn't even do a lot of work of trying to make sure that I shape it well. I was just cutting and transferring. Look at that. They're really nice, really firm. So guys, if you're looking for a cookie recipe that's quick and easy, this is it. This is it. Once you mix everything in one bowl, you shape it however you like and then you put it in the oven. You bake them and they are done in a few minutes. No time of there's no chill time. You put the dough in the fridge, then you come pick. No, this is a quick and easy recipe. The book calls this particular recipe no fast, no chill, no spread, one bowl sugar cookies. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to check out the recipe in the book, Bake to Perfection. Inside there, you will get the exact measurements for the recipe. Try it out and let me know in the comment section what you think. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Bye bye and God bless.